In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OneDrive to your computer in just about 5 minutes. We'll be navigating through the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily, whether you're new to OneDrive or simply needing a quick refresher on getting it set up on a new device. Let's get started by opening up your web browser of choice. You're going to type in or go directly to the Microsoft official website. Once there, you'll notice quite a few options, but the one we're interested in is the Sign In button, which should be relatively easy to find at the top right hand corner of the page. Upon clicking Sign In, you'll be taken to a page where you're prompted to enter your email address. It's important to use the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you might want to take a moment to create one, as it's essential for accessing OneDrive. After you've input your email, you'll click on Next. This will redirect you to another page where you'll be asked to enter your password. Be sure to enter it carefully to avoid any unnecessary login issues. Assuming your credentials are correct, you'll click on Next again, and you might be prompted with a dialog asking if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal computer and you want to avoid signing in each time, clicking Yes might be a convenient option for you. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it might be safer to skip this. Now that you're signed in, head over to the All Microsoft section, which you can find as part of the options near the top or through a menu depending on how you're accessing the site. Under All Microsoft, look for OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, offering you the ability to store files securely and access or share them from any device, anywhere. Once you've located and clicked on OneDrive, you'll be taken to the OneDrive page. Here you might notice it prompts you to sign in again. This is a standard security measure, so go ahead and sign in once more. After successfully signing into OneDrive, you'll be at the OneDrive home screen. This page is your command center for everything related to your OneDrive cloud storage. For our purpose today, you'll want to focus on getting OneDrive onto your computer, which means we're looking for something very specific. Locate the settings option at the OneDrive home page. This might appear as a gear icon or simply say settings depending on the interface. Click on it and look for a selection that reads Get the OneDrive apps. This is where you can find the direct link to download OneDrive for your computer. Clicking on Get the OneDrive apps will redirect you to a page that offers OneDrive for download. You should see options for different platforms, but what we're interested in is the version for your computer. Either Start OneDrive or Download. If Start OneDrive is available, it means OneDrive might already be installed on your computer, and selecting this will guide you through setting it up. If not, you'll click on Download to download the OneDrive setup file. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file and open it. Follow the installation prompts, which will guide you through setting up OneDrive on your computer. This usually involves signing in with your Microsoft account if prompted, and choosing the location where you want your OneDrive folder. And there you have it. OneDrive will now be added to your computer. You can start uploading files to it, accessing them from anywhere, and even sharing them with friends or colleagues. Remember, OneDrive integrates seamlessly with Windows and other Microsoft products, making it a convenient choice for cloud storage. Thanks for watching this guide on how to add OneDrive to your computer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy computing, and see you in the next video.